Fun with fire. Tonight, I think this is a single shot. I don't know. But it's called Atlas Aerial from TNT Fireworks. Came in an assortment. I think it's a single shot. It doesn't tell you. It just says shoots flaming balls. Pretty cool design, though. And, it looks all glow fuse. Yeah. Look at this. The Ape 626. Haha. It's your item number. It's pretty light. I think it's just going to be a single shot. We'll see. We'll find out. Atlas Aerial from TNT Fireworks. Let's check it out. All right, Atlas Aerial. Let's see what it's all about. He's lit. Oh, that was good. It is a single shot. So, look at the smoke. Sweet.